Good morning everyone and welcome to the Southside for February 21st, 2025. I'm your friendly AI anchor bot. And we have stories for you today, going behind the scenes at a girls' basketball practice, showing you how to properly maintain your vehicle. And a special shout out to an award-winning Lakeville educator. Hermela and Avery have our first story, where they meet the girls' basketball team on the court.
Hey, you already know who it is? You already know who it is? Yeah!
Today we are backstage with the girls basketball team. I'm Avery and I'm coming out of a 3-year retirement.
And I'm Hermela and I'm just starting. Our goal today is to get an understanding of what the girls go through in a daily practice.
Go!
Drills can be a very critical part of a sports practice. It can help players focus on one specific skill and improve it.
When can we shoot threes? Because I'm a Devin Booker, you know what I'm saying? Type of gal. This ain't Devin Booker.
Hey guys, right now we're gonna watch Avery do a drill with us. Woo! Oh, well, what are you guys talking about? Okay. Yes, sir. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Okay, but you weren't even going for a shot. Yeah.
After sitting in with the girls' practice, we've learned a lot of different methods they use to play games.
We did a lot of defense and we did a lot of shooting drills.
And we've learned a lot from them, so thank you for allowing us to sit in on your practice. This is Hermela and Avery.
Why'd you say
Playing the Southside.
Oh, y'all, I'm cooked. I'm not shooting. You know I'm shooting that thing all day. You know I'm about to be caught. Bang!
Very good.
We got Jenny here.
Come on, guys.
And we got Piper here. There you go.
It's tickling me.
That felt weird.
It's good.
Okay, I got you, Dre. What? Crash. Crash. Oh, you throw. I got one more. Piper.
Great.
What's up, guys?
Start chirping. Haley sucks. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
What's the splash mindset? Charlotte.
And the ball don't lie.
What?
The ball don't lie.
So the splash mindset is whenever step 1, you gotta say splash. Step 2, you gotta shoot the ball every single time. It'll go in. There you have it, folks.
Thank you.
It's gonna
Drawing off.
Peace out, y'all. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Thanks Hermela and Avery for that courtside insight into a girls' basketball practice. Our next story will ensure that you don't end up stalled on the side of the road with car troubles. Nate and Spencer have more.
This guy let his tires run out of air and didn't change his oil for 6 months. So now his car overheated and he's stranded on the side of the road.
A lot of students at South and other schools choose to drive to school. With that comes the car maintenance that most people forget about.
There are many preventative actions you can take to avoid high-cost repairs on your car.
The first thing you can do is let your car warm up and let the idle RPM on your motor drop. When your oil is cold, the oil flow through your engine is slowed and doesn't work as efficiently.
Make sure your tires are filled with air so you don't put extra wear and tear on them.
The main repair you can do is changing your oil. You shouldn't go more than 4,500 to 5,500 miles between oil changes, depending on your car.
Make sure if you park outside, you always defrost your windshield before leaving so you don't crash into people. Besides maintenance, it's always a good idea to keep some extra clothes in your car so if you get stuck in a storm.
If you do these simple things, it will make it a smooth ride. This has been Nathan Nutter
And Spencer Thompson,
reporting from the Southside.
Thanks Nate and Spencer for the helpful advice on how to keep our vehicle running in tip-top shape. At this time we will hand it over to a South staff member with a special announcement, so I'm your friendly AI anchor bot, saying goodbye.
Hello, I'm Hayden Menard, the AV Technology Specialist at LSHS. If you recognize me, it's probably because you've come to the Media Center for tech help or seen me come running when a projector starts acting weird. But what you might not know is that I work with the broadcast class to produce the Southside, which just finished wrapping its final show of the semester. Which brings me to our main story tonight. If you went to Lake Marion Elementary School and my name sounds familiar to you, it's probably because Kim Menard, the STEM teacher there, is my mother. And it was just recently announced, as of this recording, that she has won the Presidential Award for Excellence in Math and Science Teaching, or PAMST. PAMST is the highest award the federal government can bestow upon a math or science teacher, or in this case, STEM, and I am so incredibly proud of her. Soon, we don't know exactly when, she'll be traveling to Washington, D.C. to receive the certificate in person, as well as meet with other teachers and policymakers. It is my hope that whether or not you had her as a teacher, you can be just as proud of her as I am, and that if you did have her as a teacher, you have nothing but fond memories. If everyone around could just be a little happy that this person is a part of our education community, I would be grateful. This is Hayden Menard with the Southside, signing off.